Hello, how are you? I hope you are doing well today. Thanks for coming to watch this video. My name is Carol and I make videos about art, bullet journaling, that family, and relaxing art activities. I really want to help people relax and use art as a vehicle to do that. But sometimes meditation, these things aren't for everyone. So art is a wonderful way to get a similar feeling. So here we go. Today's video is about going for coffee or going for tea, or in my case hot chocolate, and doing some sketching. I haven't done anything like this since before the lockdown. So that's why I made this video, because when I went to work and went outside, I found myself at times to be anxious and other people to be quite tense. So I thought I'd make this video to remind us to still take our precautions, but you know, let's try some relaxing activities and to be more relaxed and take precautions while out. So here I've went to a lovely cafe in Dublin city, and it's really quite quiet, so I went quite early because I too don't want to be around people, especially while the COVID is so prevalent still. And getting a drink, your favorite drink, and sitting, relaxing, just taking it easy for an hour even, and pulling out your sketchbook and doing some drawing. I started with sitting down with my drink and looking around for something nice to sketch. I went in with no preconceived ideas or anything like that, but I know that I have often gone to cafes to draw and sketch because I've always found it very relaxing and a nice way to be in public and to interact with the city I live in. So yeah, so there I go. I just draw away for a couple of minutes. And remember not to worry so much about the outcome of the drawing. It's more the act of doing it and feeling relaxed and interacting with your art materials and just gaining some confidence in your art. Going out to draw takes a lot of courage because you really don't know what you're going to come up with. And I've often been very nervous to draw in public spaces because sometimes people want to have a look at what you're doing. But if you go to somewhere quiet, with your cup of tea or coffee or hot chocolate, whatever you like, and with your art materials, and just do it relaxed, it really makes it really special and happy and relaxing, and it feels amazing just to be able to kind of relax and do something like this, especially after all the time that we've spent at home or indoors the last couple of months. Of course, I don't suggest this going to a busy place or anything like that. We have to still take precautions at this time. Well, we're drawn close to the end of the video now, so thank you for watching. Please do feel free to subscribe. I would love some subscribers. I'm really grateful to have finally got over 200 subscribers, which I know is a small channel, but of course I'm very grateful for each and every one. So thank you guys for taking the time to watch the video and for subscribing if you have. Have a really wonderful day, and I know that today, maybe the weekend or a weekday or whatever it is, I hope you get some time to relax and try this activity. If you do try it, let me know in the comments how you've got along with it. Have a really great day. Bye for now. Bye. Happy being creative.